Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. Today I'm checking out one of the largest all-in-one 48-volt split-phase pure sine wave inverters I've ever seen, ever. And this is from SunGold Power. They have a really good reputation and definitely worth buying their products. You can use the links in the comments or description to get over this page, get the deal that's going on, help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else, let's take a closer look at the 12,000 watt 48-volt split-phase pure sine wave inverter charger from SunGold Power. Now this inverter is basically built for 48-volt battery banks. This can power your entire home. This is a low-frequency inverter, so it's a lot safer than the high-frequency inverters. It's going to last a lot longer. High-frequency inverters do not last nearly as long as low-frequency inverters. This has 300% surge capacity, auto-generator start, built-in 150 plus 5 amp battery charger, and it's got 10 millisecond typical transfer time. So this is basically UPS. If your power goes out, it can switch over to this AC inverter so fast you won't even notice, because 10 milliseconds and you won't lose information on your servers. If you're playing video games, they're not going to shut off, things like that. And another really great feature is the built-in auto transfer switch. It's got AC battery priority and UPS configuration like we mentioned. That's uninterrupted power supply. That's the feature that will make this turn on so fast when the power goes out that you won't even notice. So the difference between low frequency inverters and high frequency inverters. High frequency inverters are a bit more expensive, but their larger systems, their peak power capacity is 300%. More reliable, powerful transformers. These are built for large off-grid systems and powerful loads with motors. Large, heavier, and more sturdy. Now, high-frequency inverters aren't as good for different reasons. They only have about 200% surge capacity, no transformers, only MOSFETs. And for most of small appliances and limited spaces, it's going to be useful, but not for bigger setups. They're lightweight and portable, easy to install on off-grid setups, but they're not always great for powering bigger setups like your home. So this low-frequency inverter is very nice to have. And this is compatible with various batteries. This is going to be compatible with LFP batteries, lithium batteries, lead acid batteries, gel batteries. I mean, there's 9 different types of batteries that you can actually use this with. So it's very diverse. So you don't have to upgrade your entire system. You can upgrade your inverter without upgrading your batteries. And which is great, it's got 100% adjustable charging current. You charge it anywhere from 0 to 100% of the charging current, so it's going to be safe to charge anything. And something that I see on these SunGold Power inverters that I don't see on others is the battery priority mode and the AC priority mode, the working modes that they have. It's actually really great because some people have different reasons they have these. Some people are trying to power their homes without the grid. Some people want the grid too. Some people want to use the grid first, then the battery, or battery first, then the grid. And basically that's what's going on here. You can either use the battery first or the grid first. And you got AC priority or battery priority modes built right into this. You can easily select. So right now is an amazing time to pick these up because the discount is really big on this. Feel free to use the links in the comments. Get over here, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time. Plus, you can add the 4 batteries, server rack batteries in, and get you started. Another really great discount. And this amount of power right here is just about the average daily usage. So this setup right here will get you through a rough power outage. You can subscribe to my channel completely for free by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these limited deals and awesome new technology.